Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a huge unboxing. I figured I would do one of these because it's been like damn near a year since I did one of these before, and I loved doing these when I did it. I get a decent amount of things in the mail, so I figured, you know what, instead of just always bombarding an Instagram story or like, I don't know, just doing too much on the internet with it, I would just dedicate a full video to show you guys like some favorites that I have. And that I got in the mail and that people sent me. I'm not on a ton of PR lists, to be honest, and I generally like to support people's companies, so I feel like a lot of people might think that like I get a lot of free things. I don't get a ton of free things. I like to really do support companies and pay for it myself, and then if they see it and they want to send me something after that, great. But a lot of these things is because I have bought them in the past, or like I am on their PR, so I am always going to be honest with my reviews and honest with the things that I get, because I hate when influencers promote things that are just generally not good. So I'm always just going to be extremely honest with you guys. So let's jump ahead right into the video. Okay, I'm going to start off by showing you guys all the clothing first that I got, because this is like the good stuff. So let's jump ahead into starting with the bathing suits. So I have bathing suits from 2 different companies, and they are so freaking cute. So the first company is Bikinis LA. If you guys been on Instagram for a while, I feel like these are one of the first companies to do swimwear with influencers, like when Instagram was like just started and was like popping and stuff. And they sent me some bathing suits, so I have 3 of them. I have 2 monokinis and then 1 bikini. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys these. So we'll start off with this black one. It's this monokini, really cute. I'm obsessed with it. I got a size small for size reference. This one is called the Beverly One Piece. Okay, so here is the black bathing suit from Bikinis LA. I love this. It sits really nice on the body. It's very comfortable, very adjustable too. You can tie things how you like it. You don't have to wear like, you don't have to feel uncomfortable. It's like gonna sit right on the boobs. You can make it tighter or looser, and I think it's really cute. What do you guys think about this? I love a monokini. I love a one piece. They're like my favorites. Honestly, I feel like I like monokinis a little bit better than a one piece, because it's still like giving a little bit, not like old lady-ish. So I really like this. What do y'all think? Okay, next we have this teal, like mint green, lake green it's called, size small, and this is a regular bikini bottom, bit thongy in the back, not too thongy, but still a thong, and a classic triangle bikini. Everything is really soft, I'm gonna say that. I actually worked with them once before, like years ago. Like this was like before I even started on YouTube, and I actually went out to LA to shoot with them, and it was really dope. But have not got anything since then, and it's been like 5 years since then. So we have the teal 2-piece from Bikinis LA, and I'm loving this. This color is amazing, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it. Love that it's not too tiny, but it's still like a thong, like I said, so it's not gonna be like too much, but it's still sexy. So I really like it. Then we have this purple one. It's the front tie 1-piece in a size small. It says 1-piece, but they're monokinis, so but still super cute. Purple is always a very beautiful color to have. This is my favorite out of all of them. I love this bathing suit. Love the purple, love the way it fits. I think it's so adorable. What do you guys think about this one? I really like it. I like the cut of it, and it's just, I think it makes the body look really nice. This is perfect for any body type. I like that it sits high right here, so it has that little, you know what I mean? But I'm obsessed, so I love it. So my friend has a friend who I met, who I could say is a friend. She has a bikini company called Maybo Swim, and if I'm mispronouncing it, it's because I'm sorry, but this is their bikini. So cute, got a size small. I'm obsessed with it. I love these types of bathing suits that have like this sort of adjustable vibe to it, because I always feel like if you can make something bigger or smaller, especially with bottoms, it's great because it's versatile. You're not going to be stuck wearing this, like you can only wear it if you're on vacation, or you can only wear it like if you're at the pool. Like you have different options for it. So I love this one. Okay, I love this bathing suit. The color does look similar to my skin tone, so I probably would get a different shade in this, but I love the fit of this bathing suit. I think it's so cute. I love the strings. I love how you can tie it differently. Love that it's like kind of silky too. It's like shiny. I'm obsessed with this. What do y'all think about this one? Next, we're gonna get into leggings. So I got this sports bra from Arola. It's on Amazon. I love their stuff. They're just like Define, except half the price. It's literally exactly the same. So I love their things. Their sports bras are awesome. I think I have damn near every color that they offer, and I didn't have white and I really needed a new white sports bra, so I got a size small in this. It does have the padding in it, which is so nice as well. And then they also offer leggings, but I'm gonna do a whole separate try on haul for that, so that'll be up next week. But I wanted to show you guys these shorts that I got on TikTok, and then they also have them on Amazon. So I'll link the ones that I got from Amazon, and then if you follow me on TikTok, you can just order them on there as well. But these are from Amazon and TikTok Shop. So a lot of the things on TikTok Shop can be found on Amazon because it's Amazon's companies that are on TikTok. So that's really nice if you didn't know that. So I'll be linking these as well. These are just like Define. They have like the butt scrunch, but like not too scrunchy. And then it has like the really good like part where it like kind of lifts your butt a bit. I'm not gonna lie, it lifts it good. Like it lifts that shit good. Okay, here is the white sports bra and the legging shorts. Like I said, I'm gonna do a full try on haul for Arola sportswear, but this is the top, and then this is the TikTok Shop / Amazon leggings, which I am obsessed with. Look at how it just, I love it. Like this is so comfortable, and it's squat proof and it's comfy. Like I could wear this all day, every day. Like, and it's kind of hard because I'm in a white room, so it's kind of hard to tell, but I promise you guys, it's so good and it's so affordable. And I'm gonna be honest, when I ordered these, they weren't on Prime because I think there was too many orders of them, but it came pretty fast. It came like a week and a half since I ordered it, so not Prime, but some of the colors are Prime, but I really wanted white, so love it. And then last on the clothing end, we have this super cute set from Mars Label. I wear a lot of their stuff. Their jeans are really nice. They have really great basics. But I got this set. It's like a long skirt, and then it has this matching corset top, which I love because you could wear this with like something else too. You don't have to wear it together, but I obviously love sets. You guys know that. This is such a perfect color for the fall time. It's like a deep wine, purpley red. It's not, I wouldn't say it's burgundy. It's looking a little bit more burgundy on the camera, but in person it's more of a deeper, like I would say like more on that like cusp of like a wine purpley red. So more on the purple side, but it's like really dark, so I don't know how to explain it too well. But I love this. I got a size, let me see, 8. Their stuff runs very small, okay? I originally, the first time I ordered from them, I got a size 4 and it didn't fit, so I exchanged it and got a size 6 and it still didn't fit, and then I got a size 8. I will say though, it depends because sometimes my body is weird. Like for example, I haven't worked out in 1 week because I just given my body like a week off, and I'll lose a lot of muscle in that week, but I need it to shock my body. So then like next week I'll gain it all, like I'll be all like pumped up again. So it's just depends on your like the day for me. So sometimes things run really tight depending on what I did that week, or things run really big depending if I ate enough or if I didn't work out. So you really have to go based on your body, but I will say they do run small. So if you're unsure, always size up because you can always take something in. You can't really make something bigger. So size up and then always just get to take it in if you need to. Y'all, I am really obsessed with this outfit. But it is so cute and so comfortable. I love the color. The corset is probably my favorite. I can't remember if it comes together or not, but if it comes separately, definitely get the top. Like the top is so nice, and I have a short torso and it still really fits nice on me, and I would wear this honestly. Like you could wear it with jeans, you could wear it with a different color skirt. You can wear it as this set. I love this so much. I'm obsessed with it. Oh my god. Like I said, it looks lighter in the camera, but it's a little bit darker in person. So keep that in mind when ordering, because, and also size up. So I got a size, I believe 8 in this, so I love it. So obsessed. So now let's get into some skincare that I got. I got some really great things. So I have this from Natrium. It's their AHA exfoliating mask, and I really love Natrium's things. I like their moisturizer for the body. I like their moisturizer for the face. I love their products. It's very light on the skin. I have very, very, very sensitive skin, so Natrium is really great. Their body washes are really good too. I've tried a few of them already, and I've gone through like full bottles of it, so love that for me. And then they also sent me their new, which I'm really excited about, and I didn't try it yet because I want to see this video, their new lip balms. So this is the Moody collection. So there's 3 different shades, fit every mood. So there's Crimson, Midnight, and Ruby. I feel like I'm gonna like Ruby the most. I love that like burgundy kind of brownish red color. I feel so, look how cute. I feel so like pretty when I have something on my lips. It doesn't even have to be like liner, as long as there's like a little bit of color in the middle. I just feel like it looks so nice, and it makes you look like you were eating strawberries. Oh my god, that is really nice. And it doesn't feel sticky. My number, y'all know, if you've been around for a while, y'all know the stickiness, it's a no-go for me if it's sticky. This right here, not sticky, and it doesn't taste or smell like anything, which is great. So 10 out of 10. We'll be linking, I know they sell these at Target, and they sell them on Amazon, I think, so I'll link everything down below so you guys can just shop literally everything. I just feel like that's like the best bet for me to do for you guys. Then I got some stuff from Too Faced, some makeup. I used to be a L'Oreal telescopic, the blue bottle mascara girly. I never switched up. I've tried a few when I was younger, and that was the only one that kept my lashes up. I have long lashes, but they're really straight. So whenever I use a mascara, if it stays up, that's how I know it's good or not. And their Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, so good. Like, I switched out the telescopic for this, and they have one that's a black bottle. I'm not sure if it's the same name or not, but I started using the black one and I am obsessed with it. So their mascaras are so good. Better Than Sex Foreplay, that's the one that I like, the mascara that I like. But they sent this with some eyeshadows, some cool colors. Then they also sent some concealers. I feel like their concealer is full coverage. I don't think it's really medium, I think it's more full coverage, but I like this surprisingly for like spot concealing. If I have like a blemish here, or even if I have a blemish on my body, I will use this because it dries down and it doesn't move. I have pretty dry under eyes sometimes, so I won't put it underneath my eyes, but I'll use it more so as like a corrector on my face. You can also use it as a bronzer if you want, but I really, really love these. And I love that they're tiny, because especially if you're spot concealing, like for example, like I'll have a blemish right here, right? So like that, like normally this area comes off of makeup first. So if you just take this in your bag and you just, like, it's so, literally so tiny, you can even put it in your pocket.